Hi friend, just now I left for airport. I am on the way to airport. I book Ola cab and I think it will take around 45 minutes from my home to reach around. So let us see that what is happening. I will update you. Okay? Right. I will give you the link to the description box. You can check to the UAE government website also. The details are available. So you must check it because there is a frequent change in the rule. So what I am saying now, maybe next week there is a possibility to change the rule. So keep in mind that one. So the procedure what I followed, the 96 hours prior to the departure, you need to do the PCR test, okay, and that should be the authorized medical center which is approved by the ICMR, and they are the registered actually, and from the test 96 hours, and report will be given to you 24 hours within 24 hours, and in Maharashtra the cost of this test is 1,600 rupees. Okay, I did this test to the Metropolis lab. They have collection center, but keep in mind you have to do the PCR test, okay, and the report they will send you online. Normally they are sending through SMS, and there is a link. Once you go to that link and put your detail, you can download the report. But the main important thing is you need to collect the hard copy, keep in mind. So this hard copy basically it is in their letterhead, okay, so that hard copy you must carry with you, otherwise airlines they may not accept it sometimes, okay, although they will check online definitely. What I got the message from my friends and colleagues who has already traveled. I will try to capture the procedure what actually I am following while I will reaching to the airport and getting the boarding pass, so that it will give you some idea. So watch full video if you are planning to travel to UAE. Okay, so you can see, I believe I can try to show you. I'm trying to show you. This is the medical report. I will give you the link to the description box. You can go to that Metropole Labs and you can find out. I will give you the link of these medical centers in the description box, so that you can find out the nearest branches to your location. And while you are going for this medical test, you have to tell for international travel. Okay, so far I have done you know how many tests I have done previously when I was in UAE, that is 5 months before. I came on 12th June. That time I have done 3 times in UAE medical test. Okay, so one time, the first time they collect the sample from the nose, second time from the mouth, and while I reach the airport there is also test, and that is done. They collect the blood sample and they given me one device, and on that device they put that blood, and 3 minutes you have to wait, and if there is a color, no color change, and then it's okay. You don't have the COVID, and accordingly they are putting that sticker. Now here what is going to happen, once I will reach to the airport I will update you. Okay, so watch my full video. So this will give you the very clear idea if you are planning to travel to UAE, so that you will not face any problem. Okay, and one more thing, that UAE government website also I will give you the details, and if you go to that details before you are traveling, you need to check, because there is so many rules, guidelines they are changing. There is a recommendation and procedure they are changing. If you are having Abu Dhabi visa, previously you can travel Dubai and you can come to the Abu Dhabi, and 14 days quarantines are there, but that procedures are changing frequently. So you need to refer to the websites prior to travel, so it will give you the clear idea if there is any change or not. So what I am following as of today, that is the rule. So maybe after 1 week or 1 month there is a possibility to change the rule. So you must check the websites before travel. I will give you the link to the description box so that you can just click it and it will divert you to the websites and you can see the latest update. Accordingly you can plan. Okay, so let us see, watch full video. I will give you the idea. So let us see that once I will reach there, I will collect the remaining informations while collecting the boarding pass and other procedures. Okay, thank you.